Love yourself every day. If someone brings you storm, just let the obstacles flood. Floods will go down to sea, and sunshine will good morning you. Rainbow, smile and give color to your future. All we need is to survive the pains and disappointments. By prayer to Jehovah God, the true God, even we confuse, just leave it to Him. Sometimes waiting is very hard. Somehow the questions answered by future. Someday our tears shadow of success by God's will. Let's wipe out our tears and start over again. Climb the stairs of happiness and be contented. Believe Jehovah God and Jesus Christ the Son. Have a nice day.